Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about sigma bond and pi bond, in which more strength and why. After that, we study about the hybridization. Here, strength of sigma and pi bonds. Sigma bonds are more stronger than pi bonds. Sigma bonds are end to end, whereas pi bonds are side to side. Following two reasons are responsible for the sigma bond are more stronger than pi bond. First, extended of overlapping. In this case, here is the two orbitals, p orbitals, and extended side to side, then it rebound easily. Here, in this case, directly approach and penetrated easily in comparison to the sideways. In this case, bend and penetrate. First of all, bend, after that penetrate, so that extended of overlapping axial is greater than sideways. Therefore, sigma bond is more stronger than pi bond. And second, energy and repulsion. Here, this is end to end. In this case, here is the electron cloud form, and this is nucleus. Repulsion is maximum between the nuclei. This nuclei. This is a sigma bond, whereas side to side to form such type of orbitals, pi orbitals. Now this is a pi bond or pi orbitals, and more repulsion between nuclei. In this case, more repulsion between nuclei and no electron present between them. No electron present between them. This is a nodal plane, so that sigma bond is more strength than the pi bond. Thus, sigma bonds are more stronger in comparison to the pi bond. Now maximum 3 bonds are possible here. This is a single bond. In this case, one sigma bond and one pi bond. This is a double bond. One sigma bond and two pi bond. This is a triple bond. Extended of overlapping for orbital of same energy shell, like here SS axial, SP axial, and PP. This is a maximum bond strength sideways. In this case, penetration power is greater. Penetration power is greater. Now, lower energy orbital produce more effective overlapping. Lower energy orbital produce more effective overlapping. In this case, 1s and 2s and 1s. This is a lower energy, so that overlapping is more effective in comparison of this. Overlapping is more effective because low energy level, this 2p and 3p is less in comparison to the 2p and 2p. Now bond की शक्ति जो है, सिंगल बॉन्ड लेस देन, डबल बॉन्ड लेस देन, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. Bond order means number of bond. Bond order means number of bond. Bond order of these 3, 2 and 1. And bond strength is proportional to bond order. Bond strength is proportional to bond order, and bond length is proportional to 1 by bond order. 1 by bond order is proportional to number of bond, so that bond length of this is greater than this is greater than this, so that bond length is single bond greater than double bond, greater than triple bond, but bond strength is just reverse. Single bond less than, double bond less than, triple bond. And now we study about the hybridization. हाइब्रिडाइजेशन जो है एक तरह का जुगाड़ है, जिसमें जो है ऑर्बिटल समान एनर्जी, लगभग समान एनर्जी वाला ऑर्बिटल जब मिलता है तो वह स्वतः उससे मिलकर मिक्स हो जाता है, और मिक्स होकर इक्वल एनर्जी वाले ऑर्बिटल में बट जाते हैं, और उसके बाद से तत्पश्चात बॉन्ड का नया सिरा से निर्माण होता है. इस तरह जो है, जैसे हाइब्रिडाइजेशन के तहत, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन जो है एक तरह का जुगाड़ है जो है, और जिस तरह से जो है हाइब्रिड बीज होता है उसमें कुछ म्यूटेशन द्वारा या अलग से कुछ क्रियाएं की जाती है उसके साथ, जिससे वह उच्च उपजी किस्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ठीक उसी तरह से ऑर्बिटल के अंतर्गत जब समान एनर्जी वाला, लगभग समान एनर्जी वाले ऑर्बिटल मिलते हैं या थोड़ा सा एनर्जी का अंतर रहता है तो एक दूसरे से मिक्स हो जाते हैं, और मिक्स होकर के नया सिरा से इक्वल एनर्जी वाले ऑर्बिटल का निर्माण कर लेते हैं और बॉन्ड बन जाता है. तो अब हम लोग हाइब्रिडाइजेशन के बारे में अध्ययन करेंगे. Now here is the methane CH4 and carbon has 6, 2 and 4. Number of electron in the valence shell is 4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 1s2. Here now two electron, this is a s orbital and this is a p orbitals. Here under hybridization 2s and 2p electron, their energy is slightly different, so that under the जुगाड़ ही मिक्स टू ईच अदर, मिक्स होकर सेम एनर्जी लेवल में हो जाता है. जैसे one electron here comes here, so that forming the same energy level and attached to the 4 hydrogen atom to form the methane. Definition of hybridization: the intermixing of atomic orbitals having slight difference in their energy to produce new orbitals having similar energy is called hybridization. It means that किसी एटम के दो ऑर्बिटल जिसका एनर्जी लेवल लगभग समान है आपस में मिक्स होकर के पुनः समान एनर्जी वाले ऑर्बिटल में स्वतः बढ़ जाता है, उसी को हम लोग हाइब्रिडाइजेशन कहते हैं. Example: 2s or 2p have slightly energy difference so that it mix each other. Now 2s and 4s greater energy difference so that hybridization not possible. 2s and 3p hybridization not possible, but 2p or 3s hybridization possible. 3s 3p also hybridization possible. Now rule for hybridization: पहला, only orbital having slightly difference in their energy can undergo hybridization. जब एनर्जी में बहुत कम अंतर होगा तभी वह हाइब्रिडाइजेशन के अंतर्गत ऑर्बिटल्स भाग लेंगे. दूसरा, द ऑर्बिटल प्रोड्यूस आफ्टर बाय हाइब्रिडाइजेशन आर कॉल्ड द हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स. इसका मतलब जब एनर्जी बराबर भाग में ऑर्बिटल बांट लेते हैं उसके बाद जो ऑर्बिटल बनता है उसको हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल कहते हैं. Only orbital precipitate in the hybridization, not electron. इसमें केवल जो ऑर्बिटल ही भाग लेते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन भाग नहीं लेते हैं. थर्ड, the number of orbitals formed by the resulting by the hybridization will be equal to the number of orbital precipitate in hybridization. It means that जितना ऑर्बिटल जो है हाइब्रिडाइज के पहले जो है रहता है या रिजल्ट के बाद ही भी जो है उतने ही ऑर्बिटल में एनर्जी जो है डिवाइड होता है. Now orbital of the same atoms can undergo hybridization. Orbital of two different atoms cannot show hybridization. It means that both orbitals must be of the same atoms. The hybridized orbital form are identical in all respect. इसका मतलब कि जब हाइब्रिडाइजेशन के बाद से जब हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल बनता है, हाइब्रिडाइज ऑर्बिटल बनता है तो ये ऑर्बिटल्स जो है सभी तरह से एक समान होते हैं. हाइब्रिडाइज ऑर्बिटल्स possess lower energy than the pure orbital and thus provide better overlapping. It means that hybrid orbital possess lower energy. I may know that lower energy indicates the stability of them and that provided better overlapping. Hybridized orbitals will show axial overlapping, that is a sigma bond, and the hybridized orbital arrange themselves in such a way that the repulsion between them is minimum, therefore they provide a regular geometry to a molecule. Now here number of hybridized orbitals 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2 hybridized orbitals, and this is a geometry. If two hybrid orbitals, then the geometry will be linear and that angle will be such type bond angle is 180 degree. If three hybridized orbitals, then that is a trigonal planar and such type of this angle of this is 120 degree. If four hybridized orbitals, then that is a geometry tetrahedral and such type of this angle between this is angle between 109 degree 28 minutes and 5 if number of hybridized orbital is 5 then that is a trigonal bipyramid and this is 120 degree 90 degree and 180 degree three angles and if 6 hybridized orbital that is an octahedral and 7 that is a pentagonal bipyramidal and geometry is such type of geometry. This now we study about type of hybridization. Now types of hybridization. First sp hybridization, s orbital and this is a p orbital. Now we attach to this to form sp orbitals and this is a sp orbitals. To attach them we get the angle between them is 180 degree. This is a sp orbital and this is a sp orbitals. Now here we take an example, ethane C2H2 H2. Now here 2s and 2p, 2s 2 electron, 2p 2 electron. Now in the ground state, after excited state, under the hybridizations, these orbitals, their energy level slightly differ so that mix each other and to form in excited state such type of this one electron comes here and this is a s orbital, px, py and pz orbitals. Now s orbital and one px orbital both mix to each other and form sp orbitals so that this is a sp orbitals, this is py and pz and after hybridizations these orbitals are in the equal energy levels. Now we see that this is the ethane CnH2n-2 here ethane. Now in this case C2H2 H here and H here, this is the orbital diagram. Now in this case here one, this is a orbital and attached to end so that bond is known as sigma bond and another orbital rest two orbitals, 1 and 2 orbitals here to attach, this attached to this and this attached to this sidewise so that they form pi bond. So in this case 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bond are formed of the ethane. Now second hybridization sp2 hybridization here. Now sp2 hybridization second. This is a s orbital and this is a p orbital, two p orbitals. Now this attached to three orbitals. This attached to this shape of this is such type sp2 orbitals. Now angle between this is 120 degree. Example we take a theme C2H4. This is C2H4. Now we take here in the this is the excited state. One electron comes here and we get 2s and 2p. Undergo hybridizations. These two electrons mix to this attached to here and sp2 hybrid form. And now in this case one is the sigma bond form and other is a pi bond form, and two atoms attached to here. Now here and here, so that here double bond exists and one sigma bond and one pi bond form in this compound. Now third sp3 hybridizations in the grounded state, 2s 2 electron and 2p 1 electrons. In the excited state, one electron comes here and undergo sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization, these are mixed to each other and one electron, and so that under this is a 4 hydrogen now attached to here, 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron and 2 electron. This show that CH4 structure. Now here CH4, this is the CH4 structure. Now we determine the hybridization, Now determination of hybridization state here method 1 steric number methods. That steric number is calculated by this 1 by 2s plus v minus q, where s is the number of monovalent surrounding atom and v is the number of valencies electron of central atom, and q is the charge on the molecule sign. And we put this in this, we find the value of x, and this is the value of x. See the value of x in this. We identify the hybridization sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3 d2, sp3 d3 and so on. Example, we now CH4 here. C the central atom and H is the surrounding atom. H is the surrounding atom. H is number of monovalent surrounding atom, number of atoms, so that number of surrounding atoms, that is a 4, and V is the number of valency electron in the central atom. Central atom is C and its valency is 4 and charge is 0, so that value of stirring number x equal to half s plus v minus q, half 4 plus 4 minus 0, and this is a 4 and 4 here, that is a sp3 hybridization, so that this molecule is form sp3 hybridization. Now we take another example, carbon dioxide. Yes, number of monovalent surrounding atoms, this is a central atoms and this is surrounding atoms. Monovalent, but this is a divalent, so that S is equal to 0, and valency of central atom equal to carbon, valency of carbon is equal to 4 and charge is 0, so that 1 by 2 S plus V minus Q, 4 S 0 plus 4 minus 0 by 2 to the 2. Here 2 value, that is a sp hybridization, so that this molecule formed by the sp hybridization. Now we take Cl3 central atom Cl is the central atom, and so that S value of S is equal to 3. Number of monovalent surrounding atoms, this is a 3 atoms, 3, and valency of chlorine is 7, valency shell electron is 7 and charge is 0, so that we calculate the value of X, half 3 plus 7, 10, and 5, and 5 take the sp3 dehybridization. Now we take another example here, ClO4, here oxygen, that is a divalent, so that S is equal to 0, and number of electron in the valency shell chlorine is 7 and charge is -1, so put the value of this, half S plus B 0 plus 7 minus 1, this is a plus, so that 4 and 4 is the sp3 hybridization, and so on. Now limitation here, this rule is not applicable for molecule containing more than one central atoms, for example this, and not applicable for odd electron molecules for this, and also not applicable for oxyacidic, sulfuric acid. And second methods, in this methods we calculate the total number of sigma bond for bicentral atoms. Here H single bond, one sigma bond, double bond contains one sigma bond and one pi bond, triple bond contains one sigma bond and two pi bond. With the help of this, we calculate the total number of sigma bond, and नंबर ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड में हम लोग देख करके हाइब्रिडाइजेशन का पता लगा सकते हैं। जब नंबर ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड 2 है तो sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगा, 3 है तो sp2 होगा, 4 है तो sp3 होगा, 5 है तो sp3d1 होगा, 6 है तो sp3d2 होगा, और 7 है तो sp3d3 होगा। इस तरह हम जो है सिग्मा बॉन्ड का कैलकुलेशन करके उस मॉलिक्यूल के हाइब्रिडाइजेशन का हम पता लगा सकते हैं। नाउ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब वीडियोस एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स। आप वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करें जिससे हर आने वाले वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे। थैंक यू।